Like, show me.
It became curved.
1 second.
Umar.
Yes,
Sorry.
Umar. Can you show it to me?
It became little curved.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
I like it, Umar, in fact.
It's very
Something
nice. Yeah.
different and trendy, yeah?
Yes, Humaira.
Ma'am, I can do the first steps.
Hello, everybody.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Hello, sir.
You know what? One of my favorite player retired.
Dhoni.
My favorite
Dhoni.
player. Yes. So see, I got a Dhoni card. You saw that?
Oh, great.
Is it a Dhoni card or angry wife card?
See, I have to be the positive person I am. So whatever she says, I have to look at the positive side. Muhammad and Abdullah, it's a challenge for you, okay? I dare Muhammad, Abdullah, and the other guy, Saqib. You need to have Dhoni card. Abdullah, challenge for you. Muhammad.
No, I don't like Dhoni's hair.
Okay, do Virat Kohli card. Oh, look, Muhammad Saqib already has a card. Yay!
I will give earlier Messi's hair. They were very long.
Oh, wow.
Dhoni
Messi.
also
Even my
had-
son
Dhoni
likes
also
Messi.
had long hair, initially when he started his career.
Yes. So
I will
Abdullah,
keep the hairstyle
Abdullah,
of...
you can make it golden. You can have a golden hair dye then.
No. I will make it brown.
Brown. Okay.
Good. I just wanted to just come and barge in the class. Aparna, please.
It's fun.
Right. So I think you can start, Aparna. We have Anas, Mohammed,
Yeah.
Saqib, Rushta, everybody coming in. Yeah.
First,
Okay, great. So, hi everyone. Are you all excited to paint your names on the nameplate?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, let's get started. Okay,
Yes,
Humaira, you
ma'am.
were asking me something.
Ma'am,
Humaira, that's very nice.
I can do the first steps.
See, Humaira, you whatever you have done last time, let's continue with that. Can you show it to me?
Ma'am, that is not I have. Ma'am.
You don't have it. Why? So now what you will have to do, you'll have to continue with the others, because if you do this first step, it's going to take the whole class. Okay, so we'll just start with the names. So again, all of you will have to, I showed you all the method last time. We have to mix the two clay. But today we are going to take very little portion of both the clays and mix. Okay, we won't mix the whole thing together. So ready with it?
We have a recording
So I
also
want you all
of
to-
it, Aparna. We have a recording of all the art sessions. So those students who have missed it, they can watch the recording.
Yeah, absolutely. That's good, Humaira. So you can just check out the recording and do the first step. But whatever you have of last time, if you can bring that, it will be better, because the names we have to directly stick on the nameplate. And I hope all of y'all have some glue along with y'all. Okay, so see, this is my nameplate here. Now I'm going to leave this aside, and if it is stuck to your newspaper or whatever paper, it's fine, because we can just cut the paper off later in the end. Okay, so just leave your nameplates aside and take the molded clays. Okay, so I have these two packets here, and I'm going to cut open both of them and just open little portion.
Ma'am, can you keep your phone sleeping?
Ma'am, we have to open both the buckets.
Yes, both the packets you have to open. And as I told you, one is a hardener, which is going to make your clay hard. Okay, so you need both the clays. Okay, is it visible now to everybody? Okay.
How
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take very little portion of both. Who's that?
Ma'am, you have to open little.
Yes, just open little bit. And from both the packets, equal amount of clay we are going to take. Okay. So be careful about this again. Put a newspaper or a plate. Otherwise, it will get stuck to your tables or whatever you all are using. Okay. So I'm going to take equal portion of both the clays. Like I've taken this much of the white part and the same amount of gray. Okay. Now, we are going to use talcum powder. Okay. You put a little talcum powder and mix the two clays. And like last time, remember that the entire clay has to
Ma'am, this
become
much.
one color.
Ma'am, this much.
Who's that? Can you take your name, please? Umar. Yes, that is good.
This is from the one.
See, just take so much portion. That's it. Okay. So mix both, and both should be equal. Okay, Umar. Both the clays equal portion. Put some talcum powder and mix it and see to it that. Who's that?
Ma'am, Yahya and Ibrahim.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, what we have to do now? What you have tell we can.
Okay,
What problem was there?
Okay, so we have taken the molded clay packets, right? Both the packets we have taken, and we have removed very little molded. Okay, see this much I have taken and mixed.
Ma'am, this much, Umar.
Yeah. Just a minute, okay? Yahya and Ibrahim, see, we have taken and mixed both the clays. Both the clays are supposed to be of equal quantity. Remember that both clays have to be of equal quantity, and mix it and see to it that it turns into one color. It should become white like this, completely white. Okay? Yes. Now, who was asking me?
Ma'am, this like this too.
Yes, correct. Now start mixing it with talcum powder. Take some talcum powder and mix it and see to it that it forms one single color. There should be no two different shades, okay?
ma'am, how much
So
will
once that
take?
see from this white clay, you can take just this much portion, and then you take the gray clay and take this much portion of the gray clay, and then mix the two. Okay. Now, can I go ahead?
Okay.
This
Yes.
is going to be a slightly long process. So please follow, okay? When I'm talking to y'all, just listen to me and then start doing it. So now we have the clay ready. Everybody has the clay ready? Great, one color, okay?
No, ma'am,
Now-
wait.
Okay, I'll wait. Now you have to take your nameplates where you have already written your names on it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, please keep your fevicols ready also, okay? So everybody is ready. I'm just giving you 1 minute and then I'm coming back, okay?
Ma'am, like this. Aparna, ma'am, Umar.
Ma'am, it is not becoming one color.
Aisha, keep on kneading your dough. Keep on kneading it. It will become one color. Okay, Aisha?
Ready to go?
Ma'am, like this.
Yeah, please take your name.
Ma'am, Umar.
Umar, 1 second. Yes, Umar, excellent.
That's cheating, Aparna. You should have made your nameplate by my name. I'm your best friend, right? So you should have said Shabs, right?
I'm making a personal nameplate. I think you should join Shabana. You must also make one for yourself.
I will make it for my mom.
Excellent.
Ma'am,
So
the clay.
yeah, the clay is ready. Now we are going to say take half of it maybe. And then again roll it in some more talcum powder so that it doesn't stick to your hands. Okay. And now I'm going to show you something. Please see on the screen. Just stop your work and check out the screen, okay? I'm going to roll this and roll it till I get even and thin. It should be thinner than this. And it should be very even. So you have to roll it softly and from all the directions. So we get a tube-like thing which is even. Okay.
Ma'am, how much we have to cut it? And we have to roll how much, ma'am? Full, or we have to cut half and then roll?
Yeah, take half or take a little less than half because we are going to write with one. We are going to start with single alphabets, okay? So I have taken half of my clay and I'm rolling it up. And I'm going to roll it up. See, because I need it thinner, so it's going longer and longer, okay? So as per how you have written your name, you have to make it thinner or thicker according to that. Now my name, you can see my name, I can use a little thicker one. But in case if you have smaller alphabets or close alphabets, then you will need thinner clay, okay? So now I'm going to take Fevicol. This is my Fevicol. And I'm going to apply it on my name. Can you see that? On my A portion, I have applied the Fevicol. A thin layer of Fevicol, not too much, a thin layer.
Ma'am, Aisha, ma'am, like this, my clay is still not getting in white color.
How come? You have to mix it completely. Take talcum powder and mix it completely. You know, just keep on mixing it very nice. It has to become one color. See how quickly you can mix it up. Okay, you have to press it hard and make it. Yes. Go on pressing it. Have you taken equal quantity, both of them?
Yes.
Yes. So now just press it together. Keep folding it and pressing it. You will get one color. Okay. Now next step, as I showed y'all, I have got my clay ready and I have applied Fevicol or whatever glue y'all have on my alphabet. If you can see how I've applied it. Okay. And now I'm going, just a minute. Yeah, any glue. You can use any. And then you just place the clay at alphabet. Whatever it is, you have to cut it with the butter knife. Okay. and we'll just leave it there. And on this, if you want, you can just make some textures. Okay.
We can start.
Let's start now. You understood, right? So I'm going to make a little bit of texture
Name.
with the button. Yeah, see, I'm just using one, going to start doing it single alphabet. We are going to go in the order. We will not continue the entire thing in running. So just you will have to cut
Ma'am, Aisha, ma'am, like this color, okay? Ma'am, Umar,
Just
is
a minute.
this okay? Ma'am, Umar, is
Just a minute, hold on. Just a minute, okay? Now what I'm going to do with this, with the butter knife, everybody has a butter knife. Just a minute, hold on. Let me finish my instruction, then I'll come to you all, okay? So I'm going to just give it a texture. With the butter knife itself, I'm giving it a texture. Can you see, all of you? So I have a texture on my alphabet, okay? Yeah, now, yes, Aisha?
Ma'am, this color is okay.
Yes, that's fine. It's completely one, na? It's not two different shades. Yeah. Okay, now mute yourself. Now who else wanted to ask something? Omar?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is this okay?
Yeah, very good, very good. Yes, it's good. Okay. Now start applying on your alphabets.
वो कैसे किया आपने ग्लू से?
अच्छा, so मैंने ग्लू को लेके अपना जो अल्फाबेट है वो पूरे अल्फाबेट पे मैंने, जैसे अभी मैं आपको पी दिखा रही हूँ, तो मैंने पी के ऊपर ये ग्लू, पी के शेप में ये ग्लू लगा दिया है. Okay? Please mute yourselves, everybody. I'm getting a background noise. Yeah. So now I have applied the glue on my entire P, okay? Now I'm going to use the clay which I have rolled, and I'm going to place it on that glue. And you can see this, and wherever there is extra clay, you just have to cut it. Use your butter knives and cut that extra clay and remove it off. Okay? So we get, okay? Kindly please mute yourselves.
Ma'am,
Kindly please mute
Aisha,
yourselves.
this glue is okay.
Yeah, any glue is fine. Yes, it's good. You can use that. Okay, please mute yourselves. Omar, mute yourself. Anas, please mute yourself.
No.
Okay, so did you get this? Now you have to be careful and you have to see that all your alphabets are equal thickness, okay? Now the A that I have written, the center line, I'm going to cut exactly that much portion and stick it. And if you want to give that texture to your alphabet, you will have to do it when the glue is, when the clay is
Umar,
wet.
is this okay?
Very nice, Umar. Excellent. Go ahead with it. Okay, so you can see. And again, I'm going to give a little texture to my Okay. Now, same way, you have to go ahead with all your alphabets. So I have written A and P already. Now I'm going to my second. Excellent. Good, good. Carry on, carry on. Mohammed, can you do it? Abdullah,
Ma'am, I'm doing.
okay. Humaira Qasim, are you doing the alphabets or are you doing the base?
The base. I'm Aisha Aga. Ma'am, like that small is okay.
Just a minute, Aisha. Show it to me again. See, your alphabet is not even. So you have to roll your clay evenly from all sides, okay? So then you will get the neat A. It is looking a little bit untidy because of the thickness is not even. So just try to make the thickness even, okay, of the clay.
I'm done.
Who is that?
Me, Juvedia.
You completed all your alphabet.
Yes.
Fantastic. It's looking beautiful. Very nice.
Thank you.
We'll just keep doing our alphabets, okay? So once here this clay is over, you can mix other clay again. Remember that you have to take equal portion of both the clays. Take talcum powder and mix it into one color, one single color. And then start rolling it. Mohammed, are you able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Great, very good. You can keep watching my screen in case if you have any doubts, please ask. I'm continuing with my alphabets so that you all can also see and do it along with me. Please mute yourselves, all of you. So once you put some texture on your alphabet, it gives a nice look to it after the painting is done. You can give any kind of texture. You can give texture with the, the cap of your sketch pens, which has a flower design at the back or on the cap. So that kind of texture you can give.
Ma'am, that is compulsory.
What is compulsory?
The picture.
Nothing is
Yes.
compulsory. No, if you don't want, you leave it plain. It's okay. It will look nice anyways, okay? Only thing is your alphabet should look like the alphabet, okay? That's all. You can make it anyways. All you have to be careful is if the thickness is same, then there will be no problem with the alphabet at all. See, like if I want my A to have the middle line slant like this, I can even do that. So I can change my alphabet the way I want it. Here I had a straight, here I have a slant.
Texture on it.
Very nice. Yeah, it's looking nice. Juveria, neat work.
Yeah.
Okay. So my 3 alphabets are complete. How many have you all done? Juveria is done with her nameplate. Now she's all set to color it.
See, ma'am, I have 2 more left. I finished 5. Ma'am,
Very
see.
good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Omar.
Very nice, Umar. Good work. Good work. What about Yaya, Ibrahim, Anas?
Ma'am, we are on the way. Ma'am, I am on
Very good.
I am on 5th letter.
Excellent. You all are faster than me also. That's very good.
I'm also on 6th letter.
Good. So today we'll be able to complete our lettering, and next class we will do the painting because we have to wait for the clay to dry up completely. Okay, so next class y'all are going to bring along with y'all acrylic colors, and I want y'all to bring a leaf. Somewhere you will find a nice leaf which has thick veins. So you'll have to check the leaf and bring. It has to have thick veins on it. Okay, a nice thick leaf you have to bring. We are going to give it a nice textured look to our nameplate.
Ma'am, this watercolor is okay?
No, you can't use watercolor on this because it will wash off. It won't stick on the nameplate at all. So we will need to use acrylic paints only. Okay, so please bring acrylic paints.
Ma'am, what should we do the rest of the clay?
Rest of the plate means, but you have to complete your alphabets now.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, so you know what you can do,
This is
Umar?
okay? This is okay, ma'am?
Just a minute, Umaira. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. Hold on now.
Ma'am, with the rest
No,
of the clay, I made a handle. If I can hang it somewhere.
Just a minute. I'll come to you. Humaira, you cannot use these colors because these are water based. Okay, so they will not stick on your nameplate.
Okay, ma'am.
You need
Ma'am,
acrylic colors.
I draw a design. Can I put clay on that also?
You can make a design with the remaining clay if you like. You know what you can do? You have small flowers or whatever you want, and you can place it there. I can show you a flower.
Acrylic paint only, ma'am.
Yes, acrylic paints only. Suppose I want to make a
Okay,
flower.
ma'am.
No poster color. I want acrylic paints because acrylic paints.
Don't have acrylic paints.
Can you buy them, please? Because acrylic paints will stick on the nameplate. The other paints will wash off.
Ma'am, I'm also buying the paper. Ma'am, I can
That-
buy now.
Not now. In the next class. We don't need it now. Okay.
Ma'am,
Next class.
in the next class only.
Omar, you just leave it as it is. In the last class, that is next class, we will just cut off the paper. We still have to put the strings. Okay, now just check out the remaining clay that you all have. If you all want to make something like this, you can just make flowers. See, I have made a small circle here, the center of the flower, and I've made this petal shape. Omar, if you want to use your clay, you can use it like this.
Okay.
Can you see my petals?
Ma'am, can we add dots?
Yes, you can do whatever you want. This is just small example that I'm showing you all. You can make whatever you all feel like making. You can make small mushrooms. You can make a small bird or a butterfly.
Ma'am, can I use these two clays which we have not mixed?
For the some clay work you want to do on the nameplate?
Yes.
Yes. Please use. Please use.
Ma'am, I can see the recording and I can make my nameplate of circle shape.
Who is that?
Humera.
Yes, Humaira, you can do that.
Okay, ma'am.
Abdullah.
Abdullah, have you finished yours?
Just a second. Just one letter is left, ma'am.
Okay. Great.
Ma'am, Aisha Aga, ma'am, I am done.
Excellent. Let me see. 1 second. Hold on. Wow, very nice. Very nice. So I'm really happy with all your nameplates. Looks very nice. Good. Okay. So now the remaining clay, whatever y'all have, y'all can make some nice shapes and stick it around your name. I have made a flower over my name here. That's an example. I'm just showing it to y'all. And I'm going to make one small mushroom here. So I need some more clay.
Ma'am, you have not completed your name only.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just showing y'all other things which y'all can just do it and bring it for the next class, okay? So I will write my name later on. I will also complete my name later and show it to you in the next class. But I'll show you some other things which you all can do. You can put in some nice elements on your nameplate and make it look more attractive. So if we are putting elements, like I have put a small flower, I'm putting a mushroom. I can also make a small butterfly and put it. So we can paint those in the next class, okay? Then we don't need the leaf texture. And if you all want to keep your nameplate plain and have a textured look to it, then bring a leaf in the next class. I will teach you all that also. Okay.
Ma'am, do we need the rest of the clay? This one.
So if you want to make some more elements onto your nameplate, then you use it. Otherwise, you can keep it. It won't get spoiled. We can use it for some other artwork, okay? Or you can do something of your own. So here's my mushroom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a mushroom. I'm going to make some grass here and maybe some flowers also. Can you see that? Okay. But remember, whenever you are sticking your alphabets or your flowers or whatever you all want to make on that, don't forget to use the glue, otherwise it will not stick. See, now I'm making a grass. So I'm just rolling this into a thin.
Ma'am, can you show the flower?
Yeah, can you see the flower?
Yeah. Thank
Can
you.
see this? Yeah. And now this thing which I have rolled, this, I'm just going to press it and taper the end, and I can just put it like this, like a
Ma'am,
grass.
see
So
my here.
yes, 1 second, hold on, I'll just come to you.
Ibrahim.
Yes, I'll come to both of you, wait.
Yeah. I want the
Yes, Yaya, can I see yours? That's nice, that's so sweet.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lovely. Okay, now who was showing me? Who else was showing me? Mohammed, I haven't seen your work. Can I see your work?
Ma'am, I am making the
Yes.
whole one. मैम तो अब मैं कट करूंगी तो उससे भी मैं नाम में चिपका सकती हूँ ना मैम वो
मुझे आप बताओगे वापस? Mohammed, I haven't seen you. You've not done your clay work yet. Okay, that's good. Complete it.
मैम
Complete it.
मैम
Yes, Humaira, 1 second. 1 second, Humaira.
नेम प्लेट आई एम कटिंग
हाँ.
वो
Okay.
मैम मैं नहीं लिखती हूँ ना उसमें उसको भी चिपका सकती हूँ ना मैम
हाँ, चिपका सकते हो आप. You can do that. Okay. So Can you see my nameplate? I have made one flower, I have made one mushroom and grass. I've just made one. I'll make some more and I'll show it to you all.
Can do full steps.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I am making my nameplate. I can do full step. Yeah, I want to.
Full step means all the steps, all whatever I showed you.
Ma'am,
I can
Ma'am.
do one time. Full.
Yes.
I have joined the letters.
Who is this?
Anas.
Anas, you were there now? Can I see your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can I see your work?
It is bad, ma'am.
No, it's good. It's really nice. Don't worry. You have done a good job. So now whatever alphabets you have written, I can see spider over there. So I'm sure you've written something
Yes.
else. Yeah, so complete with the clay, complete all the alphabets. Okay. Will you be able to do that? We still have 1 week, so don't worry. You can do it in the meantime. You know how to do it. You've done a good job. Okay, so now I have this grass.
मैम मैम इतना सर्कल शेप आएगा
Yes.
तो ओके दिस सर्कल शेप इज ओके
Yeah. So your name should fit on it, Humaira.
ओके मैम माय
So
नेम
you have to see. Yeah, your name should fit on it. You can write your name in a circular. So yes, what are you saying?
आई एम मेकिंग फॉर माय फादर
That's so sweet,
Okay, okay.
Humaira. Nice. Sparrows are.
Yeah, they're very creative. So Yaya has made for mom and dad.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, yeah. Lovely. Oh my God, look at him. Yahya and Ibrahim, they're really working hard. Omar, how's it going? Anas, what about you?
Anas has done a good job.
Juwairia. Oh, Mohammadi, well done. Rushda. With that background, I'm sure you'll make amazing nameplate. Aisha, Hamdan, Humaira. Where's the rest of them? Hamdan, show me your video. Usman, Blazing Usman. Whom did you make for? Oh my God, you've written so many things. Wow, your father's name. And then what you've written is, Hamdan, can you read it for me, please?
Sarfraz and Aisha Fazlani's son Hamdan, the trio family.
Yay! And where's
Wow.
my name in it, Hamdan? I'm your favorite, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you're going to make another one for me. What about you, Blazing Usman? Cool. I like your headphones. Atul, Mohammed Saqib. How's it going? Lovely, lovely. I loved it. All of you are doing a fantastic job. I think they need to let it dry again, Aparna.
Yes, we will need it to dry and only then we can paint over it.
So maybe next time now?
Yes, next time. So,
Okay.
children,
I
you
think
can
the flowers are
use your clay, the remaining clay.
yeah.
Circle is perfect.
Yeah. So, yes, who's that?
Humaira Hassan.
Yes, the circle is nice. Very good.
Okay, so with the remaining clay, they can make whatever they want, right?
Yeah, whatever you want. So you can use it for a border. You can use it to make, butterflies or flowers or whatever you want. So that is, I leave it up to your creativity.
Good job, Humaira. Well done. Rushda, my US professor. Show me yours. You're muted, Rushda. Can you unmute yourself, please?
And see, I write my father's name.
I said, can I see your artwork, please?
Ma'am, Humaira Qasim.
Yes, Humaira, I'm seeing yours continuously and it's beautiful. Rushda, Aisha,
Yes.
show yours. Just be careful. Oh, wow. Lovely, Rushda. Happiness, right? Rushda means. Yeah, no wonder you're always smiling. Wow, Aisha. Excellent. I like the way she wrote her alphabet, Aparna. Did you see that, Aisha?
Yes. Yeah, they're looking very nice.
Lovely. Yes, Juveria. May I see yours?
Ma'am.
Where's Juvi?
Ma'am, Mohammed
Oh, lovely, Mohammed Sakir. Excellent. Even I like the way you wrote your alphabet. Where's Juvi? You all are amazing.
Is it nice?
Just a
Mohammed Sakib.
Yeah, 1 second. I'll come to you.
Mohammed Saqib, are you
बड़ा ने म्यूट कर
or something, or we can make a textured design. So
No, it's excellent, excellent. Everyone is doing a
Sure want
fantastic job.
painting on your nameplate.
Perfect.
No, make it a little thinner, otherwise it won't fit on your nameplate.
Okay, then Aparna, with this we end the session, Aparna. Okay, and we meet again next Monday to do the coloring part.
Yes, please, all of you, please bring extra colors because no other color will stick on nameplate. Okay.
So no poster colors, we need acrylic colors, right? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Aparna. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.